Question 18. From the following values of E naught drawn from the EMF series, calculate standard EMF and the equilibrium constant for the reaction. इस रिएक्शन के लिए इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट कैलकुलेट करना है, स्टैंडर्ड ईएमएफ कैलकुलेट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द रिएक्शन इज Hg2 plus Hg forming Hg2 2 plus. Now you have to identify the oxidation and reduction reactions. If you see, when Hg2 plus changes to Hg2 2 plus, is it oxidation or reduction? How will you find out it is oxidation or reduction? If you see Hg2 2 plus, here 2 atoms of mercury and total positive charge is +2. So 2 atoms of mercury having +2 positive charge. So each atom of mercury has 2 by 2, that is +1 positive charge. तो रिएक्टेंट में +2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज था, प्रोडक्ट में ओनली +1 पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो दिस इज रिडक्शन. एंड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्सेप्टेड इज +2 से +1 हो रहा है, मीन्स +1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Similarly, mercury changing into Hg2 2 plus. Here, each mercury atom is having 0 oxidation state, whereas in the product, each mercury atom has +1 oxidation state. So this is oxidation. And the change in oxidation number is from 0 to +1. So number of electrons lost is 1 electron. And what is the formula for E naught cell? Formula for E naught cell is E naught cathode minus E naught anode. How will you identify the cathode? The one undergoing reduction, this is the cathode, and the one undergoing oxidation, this is the anode. So what is the value for cathode? Hg2 plus changing to Hg2 2 plus. So E naught cathode is 0.92 minus E naught anode is 0.788. Solving, this is 0.132 volt. So this is the standard EMF. Now next is to find out the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is, now E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N. N is the number of electrons involved in the redox reaction. So here the number of electrons involved is 1 log K. What is K? K is the value of equilibrium constant. Now, since the reaction is at equilibrium, E cell will be 0. E naught cell value is 0.132. So, rearranging this equation, 0.0591 log K is equal to 0.132. Log K will be equal to 0.132 divided by 0.0591, that is 2.23. Taking anti-log, value of K is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power